welcome back to my channel for today's vlog. How many months na bumalik ako sa channel. So anyway, thank you for your support even though wala akong mga content na in-upload dito sa channel ko, but my subscriber is tumaas ng konti. So for today, day of ko today, so para hindi na ako busy guys. Hopefully siglang punta ni guys. So hindi pa nakapag-subscribe sa akin guys, please subscribe, like, comment in the comment section for more updating my upcoming vlogs. So I know na how many months hindi na ako nakapag-vlog kasi mas may priority akong inuna kaysa dito sa channel ko. So by the way, if you are new here to my channel, so my content is any try on haul, then aside from try on haul, workout. Yeah, workout is my best routine ko. Hindi ko na ipipilm kasi busy ko pag morning. So every morning ako guys, workout kasi yun ang routine ko before ko mag-duty. So by the way guys, my hair is wig. It's a fake. It's not a fake because my hair is short. So ginamit ko to yung pag last September birthday ko. So nag-photoshoot ako. So ginamit ko yung wig hair. So ngayon, I use it again. So about my channel is try on haul, Lego challenge, skincare. So mostly is try on haul. Any sexy content, not sexy but for my supporters, kahit hindi sexy yung kinontent ko, nanood pa rin kayo. So first, we try, pakita ko sa inyo guys is lingerie from Shein. So I love Shein. Nude color, natural, or this is a nude color. Sa picture sa Shein is parang maliit lang siya, pero pag actual na siya guys, malapad siya guys. So malaki siya. I think is malaki siya sa akin, pero malaki talaga yung cover niya, yung style niya guys. Maybe mayroon siyang less dari dito sa isig side, both side, and this the belly button, and this is the less. So this is a silky with less. So comfortable siya isuot guys. This is the first one. This is a small. Guys, tingnan nyo guys, small size pero parang medium siya ata. So this is the first one. So this is the first lingerie we're gonna try. So guys, maganda siya guys. Tingnan nyo sa harap, comfortable siya isuot guys. So side view. So muna siya sa back. Oh my god. Another front. Wala lang guys. Proud lang ako na sexy lang gihapon. Muna siya guys. So nakahigayon siya ko og try on. So naka-time. Muna siya guys. Ang first lingerie. So another pose back, another one. So very comfy to wear. This is from Shein. I love Shein talaga guys. So hope nga dito mapalo ni YouTube ni Lolo. So this is the first panty na atong i-try. So speaking Bisaya, speaking Tagalog, or English. So proceed tayo sa second one. Green. Maganda talaga siya guys. Maganda siya fitting, comfortable. Hindi siya masikip isuot guys. This is a dark green. Same. May less dito na side. This is a small one. So, kung sa picture, again, kung sa picture talaga guys, maliit siya tingnan. Pero in personal, malaki siya guys. Pero comfy naman to wear. So, this is the second panty we try on. So, next, this is the second one. Dark brown. Dark brown, ikaduha. Second panty we gonna try. So, back. So, nice bear siya guys. Sa picture talaga guys, is cute siya tingnan. Pero in person, malaki siya. Parang malapad yung style niya guys. Sa back. So, napansin nyo guys, parang tumataba ako. Okay lang. Kumakain talaga ako ng parami. Kaya, tumataba ng konti. Not like before na mayroon talaga akong heartburn noon. Kaya, this is the third one. Very there yung color niya guys. This is the red one. And the side is silk. And backside is silk again. Then less dito. Same design but the different color. This is a small one again. So again, in the picture is very small, but in the personal, malapad siya guys. Cover na cover yung pet natin at sa harap. So this is the third one we gonna try. Oh yeah, this is the last one. Red talaga yung color niya guys. Ang daring talaga na yung color niya. Third panty we try. So, ang ganda niya guys. Parang mas maganda siya sa tatlo. Kayo guys, saan yung mas maganda? The first one, the second one, and this one. This is the front view, the red color. Ano lang siya guys, palayo lang to sa camera kayo. Baka mapalo tayo ni Lolo. So, front. Nindot should ang red. So, ang ganda talaga ng red. Back. Side view. Side view. Uy! Side view. Oh, binato na pa dun taas. Ganda. So, focus. Focus ng konti. Yan. So, diba talaga? Diba ganda talaga? Nabulol na si Ox. Yan. The best talaga sa tatlo. The best talaga yung red. So, ngayon ko lang napansin. Maganda talaga siya, guys. This is the last one, guys.